FitBeast sent me these grip strength trainers for my review, and honestly, these could not have come at a better time. I'm currently having a lot of hand pain because I do all of my work on a computer and a phone, and I'm in a very awkward position. So I've been given these like exercises to do, but having something like this I think is going to be really valuable. So it's really neat. So these ones here are for your fingers, and you have 6 pounds, you have 8 pounds, and you have 11 pounds, and you would put each one of these on your fingers. So your fingers go through like this. So this is 11 pounds. I'm gonna bet I'm not even gonna be able to open it. Definitely I need some training. So let me just go ahead and grab like the 6 pound and let's see if we can see like a difference. Let me grab that. It takes a second for me to get used to that. So yeah, as you can see, I definitely can open this one a lot wider. Woo! Feel the burn on that one. And then this one is a lot easier. So, you could start off with this and then work your way up. I think that's really cool. And of course, they give you 2 of each one, so you can be doing both hands at the same time. So you've got that. And then you also have these. This is so cool. So this is for your like forearm strength. So this one here, you have the different weights. So I probably should put them in order. So you have 10 pounds and 20 pounds, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So basically when you're holding it like this and squeezing in, this is 10 pounds because you can see that arrow. I'm going in this way, and then when I move it like this and I'm bringing it in this way, this is 20 pounds. So it's getting a little bit harder. Like look at the difference here. So let me grab the 50 pound. I can barely even, that's the 50, and then the 60, there's going to be like no way. Yeah. Absolutely not. So again, definitely need to work up to that. I'm interested to see. So we've got 30 and 10. Let's see if I do them both at the same time. Yeah, so this one feels like I could do this all day. Obviously I can't, and then this one definitely a little bit harder. So yeah, it's really neat. I love that it comes in this great little bag. So when you're not using everything, you can kind of tuck that away. But I know I'm definitely going to be adding this in to my daily routine.